Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the ledger in RDR2. First, you need to progress through the main story until you reach Chapter 2. Once there, keep an eye out for Leopold Strauss in your camp. He's usually found sitting on a rock or near his wagon. Approach him to initiate a crucial mission that will unlock the ledger. After speaking with Strauss, he will give you a list of people who owe him money. Don't worry about collecting from everyone on the list right away. You only need to successfully collect one debt to advance. Use your map to locate the nearest debtor and head there to complete this task. Be prepared for potential resistance. Once you've collected at least one debt, return to Strauss in camp. After a brief interaction, the ledger will become available. You'll find it right next to the camp's donation box, typically at the back of Dutch's tent. This ledger is your gateway to managing and upgrading various aspects of your camp, making your outlaw life a bit more comfortable. With the ledger unlocked, you can now invest in valuable camp upgrades. These include improving provisions, medicine, and ammunition supplies. A significant upgrade is Dutch's tent, which, for a cost of $325, unlocks the fast travel system. This makes traversing the vast world much easier. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.